I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop the reset safely and quickly. First, make sure the PC is plugged in. An interrupted reset can corrupt files. Once you see reset messages, try to access Settings Update and Security Recovery. If you can open Settings, select Cancel or go back. If Settings won't open, press Ctrl+Alt+Del to reach Task Manager. Hold steady. You're preventing a forced reinstall, so act now but avoid powering off mid-write unless necessary. Once you've opened Task Manager or Settings, focus on stopping the setup process rather than killing random services. In Task Manager, end the Windows setup or obvious installer processes. This may allow the system to abort cleanly. If Settings shows a cancel option, choose it. Selecting Go Back to Previous Build can restore your prior state. If the UI is frozen, do a controlled restart from Ctrl+Alt+Del or Start. Avoid unplugging power unless the machine won't respond at all. After stopping the reset, boot into Windows and run SFC and DISM to fix any partial changes. This helps prevent instability. If Windows won't start, enter the Windows recovery environment and try Startup Repair or use a system restore point to revert changes. Make sure to back up critical files as soon as you regain access and create a recovery drive. This prevents stress if a future reset starts unintentionally. If errors persist, that single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.